Hello everyone, I'm Leah Dixon in Port Coquitlam, British Columbia, and I am going live right now with kind of an unusual little video, and I'm hoping that I'm not going to be so glitchy as I was in my last video I tried to do for my team. So I wanted to share with you how to create a wish list. So Christmas is coming. People are starting to ask you, what do you want for Christmas? And it's kind of hard as a crafter to share with your spouse or with your parents or your sister or whoever. Oh, well, I'd really like some Wink of Stella. They're like, what is that? Where do I get that? So I wanted to share with you a really easy function on the Stampin' Up! Website so that you can create a wish list and share it with your crafting friends and your non-crafting friends, so that it kind of takes all the guesswork out of those stocking stuffers or kind of bigger gifts and stuff for you. So I am just going to switch my screen over. And so this is our Stampin' Up! Website, stampinup.ca, because I am in Canada. And when you pop over here to this website, you're going to be able to do some shopping. So you can just come in here and shop products and kind of go to wherever you want to go, look at the embellishments and ribbons, look at all of our inks and colors, do whatever you want. Or if you know exactly what you want, you can pop in here and just type in Wink of Stella. That's what I want. Great stocking stuffer. Click on that. My internet's very slow today. And then normally, as a shopper, you'd pop in here and just click Add to Cart. But if you're creating a wish list to share with somebody, we actually want to pop over here to the Add to List. It's going to ask you to sign in now. So I'm going to sign into my account. Oh, and of course, always, every single time I type that wrong. Try and type too fast. All right, so I've now signed in, and I can see up here it says Shopping with Leah Dixon. So I'm a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I shop with myself. Because I actually do place orders this way sometimes. Sometimes I just find it's quick and easy. So I can now try that again. I'm going to click Add to List. I can create as many lists as I want. I like to keep a favorites list. So I've added one item to my favorites list. Now, another thing that I know I am in need of is some blue adhesive gems. Woo. Okay, oh, because they're not called gems. Blue adhesive backed gems. There we go. Click on that, bring it up, and I go Add to List. Now, I can keep doing this. I'm going to add one more thing onto here. Oh, what was it that I was in need of? I was running low on something. Oh, right. Pool party cardstock. No results. Okay, sometimes being too specific doesn't help you on our search engine. So I'm just going to go pool party and see what it brings up for me. I know it'll bring up the cardstock. All right, so scroll through, and there's my cardstock. So I'm actually going to have to click on it to do that add to list. There we go, and favorites. Okay, so I've added these things to my list. Now you're like, okay, well that's great. Now what do you do? So I'm going to go up here to this little heart, and I'm going to click on the heart, and I can see my list here. So I could even make more than one list. Wish list to give to mom and dad, wish list to give to Noah, wish list to give to Heather, and kind of send off things to all of my family members going, yeah, all I want for Christmas is my crafting stuff. And so I can click on my favorites list, and then it says share list right over here. And I can go through and double check, okay, is this what I want on it? Do I want to add anything to it? And notice how from this wish list, they can add a single thing to the cart, or at the top, add all to shopping cart. So if they look at that and go, okay, yeah, 12, 11, 11, those are good stocking stuffers, sure, add all to shopping cart. That's all they have to do. So to get this list to them, you're going to share the list. You're going to copy this link, or, publish it to the world on Facebook, your choice. Personally, I would copy that link, and then I'm going to go send an email or a text or a Facebook Messenger message to whoever I want to share that list with. So that is all there is to creating a list and sharing it. And then as people purchase things off of this list, they will go away. So that's kind of a nice feature as well. But like I said, you could just create multiple lists for different people. I like to do this as well when I'm putting together a card class. So for those of you who are demonstrators, as I'm putting together a card class, I'll put together the supplies I need for that card class, and then I can just go in and order them. And I don't get it confused with my wish list of things I want. It's my list of things that I need. So there's that. All right, so that was my kind of like quick little tip. I know it's not my tip of the weeks on Fridays. This was just an early little bonus for those of you who are starting to think about doing some Christmas shopping, because I know lots of people are home today and kind of having a day to do those things we don't get to think about. So yeah, that's a quick and easy way to share that list with everyone. And of course, if your family is not tech savvy or you don't want to put together a list because you might buy the things before Christmas, you can always just have your friends and family contact me, and I do certificates that they can give to you in your stocking, and then you can come and do the shopping with me yourself. But this is a nice way to actually have something physical in that stocking or under the tree at Christmas, and exactly what you want